Today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account to send and receive emails and how to log in. So the first step is, if you're on Mac, you would go down to your dock and choose your web browser and click on it. If you're on Windows or you're at the Westland Public Library, you can choose Google Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. You would double click on the web browser and be greeted to this page. So first thing you'll want to do is click on the search bar up top, and then you could type in gmail.com. That's gmail.com. On Mac you would hit return, and on Windows you would hit enter on the keyboard. This will take you to this page where you can click on create an account in the top right corner. Once you click on that, it'll ask you for your first name, last name, username you'd like to use for your email, and the password for you to log in. So we're gonna put test video. And for the username, you'll have to make something unique, so think of it as like an address, like a home address, something that nobody else has. So in this case, we'll go with video test for Westland at gmail.com. It seems like nobody else has taken that. And now we have to create a password that has to be 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So you could go for something like Westland 2020, and you can click this eye over here to show you the password so it's visible. Westland 2020. Hit next. Then it may ask you for a phone number, so you do need a phone number to create a Gmail account. So in any case that you might forget your password or you might not be able to log in, they can send you through a text message a temporary password. So I'll just fill in my phone number over here and hit next. They'll send you a 6-digit verification code to your cellular device, so you can just type that in, then hit verify. Now that the phone number is optional, you can clear it out. Now that they've proven you have a device, you can fill in an email address if you have a previous one, if you want to connect it, and then they'll ask you for your birth date. So we'll go for today's date, August 18th. And it'll ask for your gender. You can just enter rather not say or whatever you like. Hit next. And then they'll show you the privacy and terms, what kind of data they process and keep when you use Google services such as Google Drive, Gmail, YouTube, Google Maps, things like that. They tell you why we process it and what you're in control of, things like that, of that nature. So you can hit I agree to move forward, and then it'll take a second and it'll greet you to your email account. So just give it a second. Okay, here we are. So this is our Gmail account. They'll give us a few tips and tricks on the side. So here they're telling us that we can use Google Meet, which is video conferencing software. So I got it over here. They tell you if you want to get started, you can customize your inbox, change the colors around, add a profile image, things of that nature. I can dismiss that. And then we can see our first email in our inbox right here. It's from the Google community team. It tells you, hi, welcome to Google, and gives you a link to try out their different services. So you can hit this arrow to go back to your inbox, or you can click on inbox right over here, and it'll take you back. So now if you want to create an email, you can hit compose right over here. You can choose who do you want to send it to. So in this case, if we want to send an email to if we want to send a question to the Westland Library, send the email to questions@westlandlibrary.org. And we click over here for the subject. We can say something like, my library card has expired. Library card is expired. So we can say, hello, my library card is expired. What should I do? Thank you. Test video. Okay. And you have a few options over here for formatting. So if you click and drag on the text, you can highlight it and adjust the formatting. You can change the font. You can change the colors. You can change the size. You can make the text really large, really small. It's all up to you. You can click the paperclip, which will let you attach files. So you can attach documents, photos, music, things of that nature. You can insert links, so you can send them a link to a website or a web page that you want to share. You can add an emoji, like a smiley face over here. And you can insert files through Google Drive and photos and things like that through the Google services. And once you're ready to send, hit send right over here. And the message is sent, and you have a little notification in the bottom right. If you want to double check and see what emails you've sent before in the past, for whatever reason, you can go on the side over here where it says sent. Click on that, and this is our message that was sent to questions at Westland Library. If you want to see what your email is, if you want to share it, you can click over here at the top right, and it says videotestforwestland@gmail.com, and that's what you would use to log in. So just to demonstrate that, like if you were to log in, if you're starting fresh or logging in on a different device, you can go to gmail.com and it'll ask you to sign in with your email or phone number. The email we used was videotestforwestland@gmail.com. We'll hit next. Enter the password we had from last time. Click the eye if you want to see what it looks like. Unclick it to make it circle again. Hit next. It'll ask you if you want to connect your phone number or email to protect your account. You can hit confirm, and it'll bring you back to your page. Okay, so if this helped you out, please leave a like, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and hope to see you again soon.